Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term FDO. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, FDO is slang for damn ol', used to emphasize something old or traditional. People use it when they want to highlight genuine old school things or vibes. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. FDO first showed up in the early 2000s within hip hop communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among fans of vintage culture and music. Now let's check out how to use FDO in a sentence. Correct example 1. That car is such an FDO, but it runs perfectly every day. Correct example 2. Hey man, that track sounds totally FDO, just like the classics. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said FDO at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using FDO right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. FDO means for damn ol', used to emphasize something old or traditional. It started in the early 2000s within hip-hop communities, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with FDO in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.